Hi, this is Ben from Procomp Motorsport. I've made a trip over here to America in Rialto, California. We're coming to see the new setup by Procomp Motorsport, which is a turnkey EFI setup. We're going to show you some of the components today and what the kit includes. It's basically been designed as a drop-in turnkey setup for all markets, which can include Chevy, Ford, anything you like. Alright, what we're going to show you now is the components that feature in the kits. We have this kit available in two stages. The first stage of the kit is going to consist of the manifold that's made by Procomp Motorsport, the high flow aluminium fuel rails made by Procomp as well, the 1200 CFM billet throttle body. It's going to go on top of this manifold right here with injectors that can be universally fitted from any application. One of the biggest features in this is the ECU, which is fully self-learning or laptop programmable. Runs a closed loop wideband O2 sensor. You run your throttle position sensor, your idle air control and your water temp sensor. Now this system is also capable of running the Procomp Motorsport billet distributor, which can be tuned directly from the ECU. Now all of this is capable, as I said, of running self-learning or laptop programmable. Now we're going to run a 347 crate motor from Procomp Motorsport. Now we've set up the system that I've just shown you. We've got a manifold, the throttle plate, the throttle position sensor, idle air control, we've got our billet fuel rails, injector set up, our harness is all hooked up to our computer. Now the main part with this computer, as I've said, is this is ignition and fuel control, as well as having an external fuel pump driver, so we can run this entire setup straight from the aftermarket computer that we're going to supply with this kit. Alright, what we're going to do now is we're going to fire this thing up. Now what we're going to watch is, and I'm going to specify, is the real-time programming of this whole setup. You can do all your adjustments with real-time consistency so that you can get up-to-date information straight through the computer and the data logging software that comes with the computer right on your laptop here, which is also going to be available in an optional handheld system. So let's go ahead and we'll just fire this thing up and you just can have a look. So there's your engine running. As you've seen on the computer, we've had our real-time sensors feeding information back to us. It's been adjusting everything to set up the engine to exactly what it needs to run at an air fuel reading that we've inputted into the computer as a target. Now that's just self-adjusted to hit that target and continually keep working like that. So that's all we've got today. I hope you enjoyed having a look at it all. As I've said, this kit is going to be available in a couple of different forms directly from Procomp Motorsport or any of their substitute suppliers.